Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to our experience. Today we are doing issue 57 of Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Back to the Future Delorean. Okay, so issue 57. We're continuing on from last time where we put in the circuit board. This time we're doing the upper bulkhead. Let me show you what we've got to do in this one. So as you can see in here, we do get the parts for the upper bulkhead. We get the upper bulkhead here. Some details that we've got to put on there. Looks like that's the Christmas tree there, if I'm not mistaken. And some other little details we've got to put on there. So we'll open this up in a minute. Let me show you exactly what we've got to do. So they call that the light board in this one. So we've got the light board, two brackets, panels, lever panels, sockets and that, and pipes to go on. So starting off, we're going to be adding these two details here, screwing them on with AP screws. Next to them, we're going to be putting the what they call the lighting panel, but we're going to call it by its proper name, which is the Christmas tree, right here. Let's secure that down with GP screws this time. Then we're going to be adding a pipe onto here, and again onto here. And we're going to be securing that down as well. Flicking forward, we're adding more details on, securing them on. I think these are all AP screws, this one, all these little details, adding some pipes on, some sockets on, and yeah, another socket down there as well. Should have something that looks a little like that. Doesn't tell us to attach this in this issue. And coming up next time, we have got the flux capacitor. Yeah, it's nice to be putting some more details on now and doing the rear bulkhead. So let's get it open and start building. Okay, so we've got all the parts out of the packaging. Here is that upper bulkhead. As you can see, there's lots of holes on here. That's where we're going to be putting lots of different parts. So, as you can see, we've got the Christmas tree here. It's just loads of little holes. As you can see through it. Yeah, so I think behind here just goes some green LEDs. So, yeah, it's not going to look the best. So if you want a Christmas tree looking really good, I do highly recommend going for the Modern Mods version. And they will it'll all light up and blink as it's supposed to. We get this detail here and some sockets and some other little details and some pipes and that. We get AP screws and GP screws in this one. Okay, so starting off, we're going to start off with the actual upper bulkhead section here, and where this curves across, as you can see, we've got this little slot part here. We want to be going on the opposite side just here. So we've got some details around about here is where we're going to be putting these. So we've got this one here and the one that looks exactly like it, which is this one here. So they're going to get plugged in just around about this way around and on there. So that's that one, and this one is going to go exactly the same but on the opposite side just here. If I can turn it around, get it in there just like that. So we've got these two details now on here, just like so. And now we're just going to turn this around. We're going to put two AP screws in these two holes here and here. Alright, so let's get the first one in. I'm going to put that one in this one here, just like so. And there we are, that's that one. Now we've got to put that detail, it did fall out. I'm going to put that one back in. That one's going just in there with another AP screw. Just down, just like that, all the way down. And there we are, that's our two AP screws in, and that's our two details on. Next, we're going to be bringing in the Christmas tree, and that's going to be going next to that, just around about here. There should be a location pin to help us get that in. There we go. So that's going to be going just on there. And as you can see, you can sort of see we're going to be putting two LEDs in here. So you can get some stickers off Mike Blaine and put them on here, or you can get the Modern Mods version and put them on. This time we're going to be going with GP screws, which is slightly larger, I think, than the APs. So let's get one of them and put that on the back. Drop in there. Which hole are we going in? The two either side where the LEDs are going to go. Screw don't want to stay on the screwdriver. Here we go. So I'm going to put the top one in first. There. And then the other one is going to go in this hole down here. Just like that. And that's what you should have so far, just like that. Looking very, very cool. This is a bit disappointing for Eagle Moss though, so yeah, highly recommend the Modern Mods version of that. So now we're going to be working with this detail here. We do have two little tiny black cable pieces just here. We're going to start fitting these on. So this one here, the one that's sort of more roundish, is going to go on the end. So these are just plug fits, so we should be able to just push them in down onto where we need it, just like so. So that's the first one. And the second one is going in the opposite two holes just down here. So that's that one in and that one in. We need a cocktail stick just to push this one in, because I can't get in there to push it down. That's better. There we go. That's them two in, just like that. Now these might be flopping out and coming out, so you could, if you wanted to, put a little touch of glue just on there. But now we're going to attach this to the bulkhead, and this is going to be going around about here, on here. So we've got the two holes. We've got the location pin, which is the location hole is just here. The pin is on the back here. So as we push that onto there, that's going to give us two screw points here and here. So these are going to be, again, AP screws. So we need two of them. Let's get the first one in. I'm going to go into this one. That's that one. And another AP screw. See, that one's already come out, that little one on there. So I might put a little touch of glue just to keep them on. That one seems to be staying in, behaving itself. This one, let's get it back on. There we are. So it's back in, but if it comes out again, I am going to glue that one. Yeah, I'm going to glue it. So there we are. I've glued that one in now. So that one ain't coming out anytime soon. So yeah, we can move on to the next part. The next one we're going to need is this one here, and this is 57G. So we want it this way up with a black detail facing up. And this is going to go just next to this detail we just put in. There is a slot on here and a groove cut just on here. So it does help us quite nicely fit that up. And two more AP screws in the back. It's going to help us secure that one on. Let's grab them and get these ones on as well. So that's the first one and the second one in the bottom. Just like that. So now we are going to be fitting this little pipe. This little pipe does have like a D shape cut on there. As you can see on here, we've got like a half circle D shape on there as well. So we can't really put it in the wrong way. So that's going to sit on there just like that. And then obviously another AP screw in the back to hold that one on as well. So let's get our AP screw on our screwdriver. Get this one back in here. And secure this one down. This will want to turn in your hand, so once you've got the screw started, just hold it on and then tighten it up. And then you can sort of maneuver that into the place you want it to go. Hold it right about there. And there we are. That's our pipe just attached onto there now. Now two things left to go, and that's these two black socket bits. These are different. These have got two holes at the top. These have got two holes in the middle. It's the two holes in the middle is the one we want first. That is going to go next to that, just there. So now we can turn that over. All of these have had location nipples and holes and everything on there to help us locate these on. So it's very, very good. Easy to know where it's going and what way round to put it. So an AP screw in here as well. Just like that. And the final one is going to go just down here. So this one's going to go with the two holes facing up. Drop that one into there, just like that. As we turn that over, we can put our AP screw in here as well. So let's get the very last AP screw of this issue and secure that one down as well. So there we are. That is this issue complete, and we've started the upper bulkhead. So just so you can see, I've got the interior in here, and this is going to sit just up on here and sit around about on there. So we've still got the flux to go in here and everything like that. I might upgrade to the Model Mods version of that as well in the future. So there you go, guys, that's issue 57 all complete, and we've now started our upper rear bulkhead. So yeah, looking very, very cool. There's some little details on there that are really, really cool. But yeah, if you haven't heard of Model Mods or Mike Lane before, I will leave links down in the description below. Go and check them out. They'll make your model look amazing. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.